Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to add multiple commercials. This is for people who have their account monetized. Monetized means that you have commercials on your account. If you don't have any commercials on your account, it could take you almost a couple years before you start making videos, before you start getting paid. It used to be where you started getting paid from day one, but YouTube changed that. So you want to add more commercials to your video where it's only not, instead of just one, where you're only making like a penny every video somebody watches, you can add 4, 5, 6 commercials and you could make, 10 times that. Okay, so you're gonna go to your video manager. I think that's where I'm at. Let me see. Oh, Creator Studio in the upper right hand corner. And once you're in Creator Studio, you're gonna go to Edit. Click on Edit. That's what I did right there. Loading. Okay, and then you're gonna go to Monetize. When you click on Monetize, I now have this bar where I could add videos to it. You don't see it on yours because you need to have a 10-minute video. That is the secret that is needed to add more commercials. Once you upload a 10-minute video to your account, and sorry for the shaky video because I got one hand. Once you upload a 10-minute video to your account, it will then, when you click on Monetize, it will then give you this extra chart. Now, if I want to have a video start before my video, which I just checked, and I'm going to insert ad on the right here where it says insert ad, you're going to insert. I think it did that first one there. And then I could insert another one. Put it where you want. There you go. I dragged it over, and you're going to hit insert. It just added one commercial to my video 1 minute after it's playing. Now, if you want to know where your video is going to insert the commercial when people are watching, where it doesn't just cut your wording off, you're gonna watch your video and write down the time when there's a break in your video, even a little pause for like a couple seconds, and you're gonna write that down. Say I want to add 6 commercials, I would play my video, and then I would, when I pause, I would write the time down, and then over here where it says 1 minute, I'm going to insert another ad where I just clicked on it, and say at 3 minutes or 4 minutes and 16 seconds, I know that I paused, where it's not going to interrupt where I'm talking. I would add another video and so on, and you'd hit insert ad over here. And you could play one at the end of your video. And as usual, these other monetized options are up there. So if you got a 10-minute video, you can add multiple commercials. If you have a 9-minute and 30-second video, you cannot. Okay, so that's how simple it is to add more commercials to your account. I just want to show you guys something. Just a month ago, I was making about $400 on my account, and I went through all my 10-minute videos, and now I'm at $647. That's every month. So just by adding maybe the 15 videos that I had out of the 500 videos or 600 videos I have uploaded, because that's all I had with my with 10 minutes or over for my videos, I added multiple commercials and it jumped up 150 bucks. So for you people who have 10-minute videos or more, it can really help you out financially. But don't make boring videos where they go over, because most of my videos are only a minute long, 2 minutes on average. The videos that did go over 10 minutes were obviously needed to be 10 minutes long, and I did that. So a lot of YouTubers don't like to watch people talk and drag on. But anyways, so I hope this video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up. And this is only a 3 or 4 minute video, so thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I hope this video helped you out one way or another.